Hi everyone, this is Maggie. Welcome to our channel. Today I'd like to share a practical operation guide how to use the data exchange function for module debugging. It is useful for configuring screens after module splicing or reconfiguring when the receiver card hub port is damaged. So let's see how it works. The receiving card we use today is the LINSN RV908m32. It has 12 hub75 interface, and each interface is equipped with 2 data groups. The entire receiving card is equipped with 24 data groups. 6 modules are used in this demonstration, arranged in a 2 wide by 3 height configuration. Firstly, install the module. Connect modules to receiving card with flat cables in ascending sequence. We can observe that the modules are not displaying properly. Next, we need to use software to make them display properly. Open the LED set. We can observe that the content displayed on the right side of the screen is the content from the lower part of the left side. Access the screen configuration. Load the RCG file here in the receiver section. Then send to the receiver. Since the modules we use are 2 units wide, select division by 2 here. If the modules are 3 units wide, select division by 3, and so on. Enter the actual pixel width and height here. The pixel resolution of a single module we use is 128 by 64. Thus, the actual pixel width is 256 and the height is 192. Then send to receiver. However, the screen display is still abnormal. Therefore, we still need to adjust the data groups. Select Data Exchange. As previously explained, one hub75 interface comes with 2 data groups, and we are using interface 1 to 6. So the right numbering display should be from 1 to 12. Now modify the numbering to the correct one. And send to receiver. Module numbering modified successfully. The modules are displaying normally. And how to set up a 3 by 3 module screen? We need to change the mode to division by 3. The actual width and height should be adjusted to the corresponding values. When entering the data exchange again, you will see the data groups have been arranged into 3 columns. Based on 2 data groups per interface, enter the correct numbering. Data exchange can also be applied in a scenario where the hub interface is damaged. If interface 1 to 6 are damaged, we can use interface 7 to 12 instead. Now reconnect the modules to the receiving card. Now the modules have been reconnected successfully. Start the data exchange. Enter the corresponding data group number according to the connected hub interface. Send to receiver and the data exchange is finished. All steps to refresh the hub interface and reactivate the modules are now complete. And one more thing, this method is not only for consecutive hub ports, but also for single ones. Just remember, each ports correspond to 2 data groups, then you can easily complete the configuration. I'm Maggie. Hope this helps your module debugging.